When failure isn't an option, signal integrity is everything. That's where Cinch Trumpeter's Twinax solutions deliver, with rugged construction, EMI shielding, and consistent performance for mil-standard 1553 data bus systems. Welcome back to another product preview. I'm Joe Horsky, Product Team Manager at PEI-Genesis. Today, we're showcasing Cinch Trumpeter's Twinax interconnects, engineered for military, aerospace, and industrial data communication. From flight control systems and weapons platforms to ground vehicles and test equipment, Trumpeter Twinax connectors support mission-critical reliability where data integrity and noise immunity are paramount. Here's a Twinax plug, the most widely used plug for mil-standard 1553. With a 3-lug bayonet coupling and crimp terminations for M17-176 cable, it ensures secure signal transmission in EMI-heavy environments. Next are our cable assemblies. These are factory built to ensure uniform impedance and signal integrity. We offer standard lengths, 12-inch, 24, 36, or you can customize to your exact requirements. This is the bus coupler. With 1 input and 4 stubs, it supports mil-standard 1553 bus architectures. You can get these bus couplers from 1 to 8 stubs. Lead-free options are also available. Just specify the -LF suffix. These Trumpeter products are known for precision, durability, and ease of integration, whether you're designing new systems or upgrading existing fleets. At PEI-Genesis, we carry a deep inventory of Cinch Trumpeter connectors, cable assemblies, and couplers, offering a complete 1553B data bus solution, all available with expert engineering support and quick-turn assembly. Need help choosing the right Twinax solution? Visit PEI-Genesis.com for data sheets, product selection tools, or to speak with one of our RF specialists. Thanks for watching. See you next time.